The Solex technology is used globally around the world in many oilseeds and grains applications. It could be preheating, drying, or conditioning.
The Solex dryer is a very innovative approach to the drying of bulk solids.
Compared to other technologies, the heat transfer method with plates is definitely a lot more efficient, and we have seen efficiencies up to 90%.
Key in drying is that you have to combine a heat source and a method of getting rid of the moisture. In the conventional dryer, all of that heat load is put in with the airstream, which is in reality is a very inefficient way of achieving that drying. Whereas in the Solex technology, we've combined the idea of indirect heat transfer with a cross-flow, with a small volume cross-flow of purge air to remove the moisture, which makes for a dramatically more efficient solution compared to the conventional dryer technology.
What's unique about the Solex drying technology is that instead of using a lot of air to do direct drying, we have separated the heat transfer component and the moisture removal component. We use indirect heat, which could be hot water or it can be steam, and we use very little amount of cross-flow air, which works only as a carrier for taking the moisture out and not as the heat transfer media. The challenges in an oilseeds or a soybean or a canola plant is that what comes out of a bin or what comes out of a harvest is never uniform. Now with this technology, you can dial in these changes in the feed properties and still get a consistent and uniform output from the system.
The main advantage is that our unit consumes so much less power.
The advantage of having two independent inputs to it means that you can separately control both the temperature of the product and the amount of drying.